po ng aking pinanggalingan? Wala po ba palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po ba hiyawan dyan? Marami po salamat. I always believe that the best thing to be accepted is just to be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 21 years old this sinner. And I am very proud and humble because I am your It's Showtime Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multiplex, first runner-up. My name is Miss Karen Montesilio, and I am truly all the way where the place that you can experience just like a silver lining. Yes, I am all the way from Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. I am the only girl who captured the heart of Mr. Ronnie Alote. Opo, tama po kayong lahat. Ako po si Amy. At minsan si Baby. Sa Pira-Pirasong Paraiso. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay subukang palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Binibining Loisa Andalio. And I always believe si Bez, Amar, Amor. If you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, I am your candidate number 7. Mark my number because I will give you the best show and a night to remember. Thank you.
Once again, candidate number 7 is Karen Montesilio from Tondo, Manila. And that completes the set of our beautiful candidates for our first category.